The next topic that I'm going to teach you is Callout Shape. Now children, you must have seen that normally the dialogues in a comic books are displayed in speech balloons. Okay? Let us say that you want to use these speech balloons in your drawing also. So what you will do? You have two options. Either you draw them by using different tools of paint, or you can make use of the callout shapes. Okay? You can make use the callout shapes. Now, MS Paint provides you 3 different types of callout shapes. Now, these are callout shapes. Okay, these are 3 different callout shapes. The first one is rounded rectangle. Okay. Next one is oval callout, and the last one is cloud callout. First one is rounded rectangular callout, oval callout, and cloud callout. Now, how to draw this callout? So, what you need to do is, first of all, select the callout, put your mouse pointer on the drawing area, press the left mouse button, and now drag your mouse. Just a minute. First of all, select the callout, rounded rectangular callout, put your mouse pointer on the drawing area, press the left mouse button, and now drag your mouse. Okay, so this is how you will be able to draw a callout shape. Okay, this is how you will draw the callout shape. Now, let's say you want to type something in it. Okay, you want to type something in it. So, what you will do? Now, go to the text tool, press the left mouse button, put your mouse pointer inside the callout, press the left mouse button, and again drag it. You can see the cursor has appeared. Now you can type whatever you want to. Like, let's say I'm writing thinking about you. So this is how it will appear. Alright. And you can also fill the color inside it. How? Press fill with color tool. Select any color that you wish and press the left mouse button inside the shape. This is how you can draw a callout shape in MS Paint.